Espalier fruit trees are a captivating horticultural technique that combines artistry and practicality. Dating back centuries, this method of training trees to grow flat against a wall or trellis has gained popularity for its space-saving benefits and aesthetic appeal. Let's explore the world of espalier fruit trees and discover how they bring beauty and productivity to gardens. Aesthetically pleasing. Espaliered fruit trees are a feast for the eyes. By training the branches along a support structure, the trees take on intricate and pleasing patterns. Common espalier forms include cordon, fan, and Belgian fans, each with its own unique visual appeal. When in full bloom, these trees transform into living works of art, showcasing an array of colorful blossoms and later bearing an abundance of delicious fruit. Space optimization. One of the significant advantages of espalier fruit trees is their ability to make the most of limited space. With their flat, trained growth habit, they are ideal for small gardens, courtyards, or even urban balconies. By utilizing vertical space against a wall or fence, espaliered trees allow gardeners to maximize their growing area without sacrificing productivity. Improved fruit production. Espalier techniques not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also boost fruit production. The controlled growth and open structure of espaliered trees facilitate better air circulation and sunlight exposure to the branches and fruit. This optimized environment promotes fruit development, leading to higher yields and improved fruit quality. Additionally, the horizontal branches are easier to access for pruning, maintenance, and harvesting. Versatile garden design. Espalier fruit trees offer versatile design options for gardeners. They can be used to create living garden boundaries, privacy screens, or focal points in the landscape. With careful selection of tree varieties and training techniques, the possibilities are endless. Espaliered trees can be integrated into formal garden settings, cottage gardens, or even contemporary landscapes, adding a touch of charm and character to any outdoor space. Educational and engaging. Espalier fruit trees provide an excellent opportunity for learning and engagement. Gardeners can enjoy the process of training and pruning, honing their skill in the art of espalier. It's a hand-on experience that allows for experimentation and creativity. Additionally, espaliered trees can be used as educational tools, teaching children and visitors about fruit tree cultivation, plant anatomy, and the importance of sustainable gardening practices. In conclusion, espalier fruit trees are a delightful fusion of form and function, bringing beauty, productivity, and versatility to garden spaces. Their artful growth pattern, space-saving benefits, and improved fruit production and educational value make them an appealing choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. So embark on the journey of espalier and discover the joy of cultivating these living works of art that nourish both the eyes and the taste buds.